So initially my parents didn't want me to go. I found IMSA on my own, decided I wanted to go on my own, and then they kind of got used to it because I really love math and science, and they decided, well, you love it so much, it has resources that you need. And so I talk to my parents so much more living away from home. Like, I have a much stronger connection because we don't have to argue about the small things living at home. So I live about 5 hours away from IMSA. That means I do only go home on extendeds, but it means I'm really close with my friends here. I've built like the support networks of people who stay on the weekends, so I do go to the movies, I go to dances, I do a lot of things that every other high school kid would do. My SIR project was working with nanoparticles for targeted drug delivery systems. So when you get cancer, a lot of times you have to treat it by sending drugs all over the body. But if you use a nanoparticle that's specific to the cancer cells, it can send the drug just there so someone doesn't have to get as sick from their cancer treatment. As a woman going into engineering, I feel extremely confident because I've had the preparation. I can do the math just as well as any other guy in my class can. And so I don't feel incompetent. I don't feel like I can't do it. And I don't see why girls should feel that way. I would recommend IMSA to someone who is passionate about learning, whether it be math and science or it be the fine arts. Because here you have teachers who are accessible outside of class. So if your passion isn't taught in a class, you can independent study it. You can take it as an SIR. So you can research it, study it, do it, because you have every option available.